Hi guys. So today we're gonna be testing out makeup. We're gonna do this not like any extraordinary kind of way somebody would put makeup on and be like pros. We're gonna do this my way. So let's get started. Okay, so I want to explain what kind of products I have here first. So I got this I Love Makeup palette that has eyeshadows in it, you know. Ooh. I got this, what is this, concealer? I don't know, little sponge things, SpongeBob. Some liquid eyeliners, and some roly thingy that has glitter on it, you see? Or let's do this the professional way. Now for the
I have the sparkly on your face something makeup. Clean my makeup concealer. Oops, sorry, can't show you the title. I have this makeup palette. The makeup palette, LA colors, tons of colors in it, as you can see. Oh, and that mirror, you know. Oh, hold on. I have me a couple sponges. I got me some liquid eyeliners and a jar of mascaras. Yeah. We're gonna want to start off with our concealer or whatever this is. So let me see. I don't know how to do this. We're just gonna. Whoa! We can see. This is art. Oh yes. Okay. Put that over here. And we're just gonna dab that on the face. But let's get a closer look. Dab some here, dab some here, dab some here. Let's really get that color. And we're good. People nowadays, if they want to be a pancake, this colors that in, right? So, next, we're just gonna take this pen and we're gonna outline our eyebrows, right? Because you know, it's just gotta be popping with their makeup and their eyebrows. So ready? Here we go. My face is burning. This is what happens when you wear makeup. Okay, don't ever do it, okay? You gotta promise. I hope it does, And the point of when you make your wings is just to make them even enough. So, with that being said, we're gonna try to grab, what's it called? And you know, you just wanna start with like the tip in and then carry out like this. Watch. Ew. I don't think you'll be able to see it. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Okay, ready for this? Oh, hold on. There's a clump. And see, get that? And then you kind of just flare out. Flare out as high as you want. It's your wing. Fly high, darling, okay? Fly high. And all you do is kind of come back with it. There we go, darling. And all you want to do there is fill it in. And there you go, you have a wing. So now, you want to make sure you even it up with this side. Now that we have our finished product, and that they seem pretty even, you know, we can get back to shading it in. So, you want the color that matches you, defines you, is you. So, I'm going to pick the color, purple maybe. I believe. Let's go purple. So when you're doing this, you just want to dab, and then start from the inner and work your way out. So, dab. You see? The purple's coming out, man. And you just want to dab. Yeah, you got me, kid. And dab. Happy Halloween. On your eye, man. You see this? Yes. And you get it in there, and it's looking poppin'. So do the same thing to the other side of the eye, alright? Make it even. So start from the center, work your way out. You know how if it forms like think of a taco shell. If it's gonna form out, honey, you got it. You know what you're doing. It's a lot of purple on the inside. Yeah. Even the colors out, you know? Look at this. Poppin'. You just get that. and you work it out. Now, if you want a darker tint in the creases of your eyes to make it seem just a little bit more garish, just grab the other side of the tip of the brush, grab a little black, and tint it in there. Might not make much of a difference, but it's making a difference, sweetie. Oh yeah. For you, man. Look at this. And if you want to continue with the new, better look, I have some lipstick here. And I suggest if you go to out of town, you're trying to have a graduation party and something, this is the look to be daring to look for. So now you want to just apply. I don't know if you want to see this, but it's just, you know, go with the outer, smooth in. Sometimes if your lipstick's not prime and it's cut like this, it's not going to work out. So just try to use the edges just to get it down, okay? And try to get rid of that, okay? If not, use the fishy faces and color it in, so. Then you do that. There. Squish your lips together, look at that. Pop. You get this good look, right? So you want to put that away, and you want to start applying some mascara to your eyelashes. So you pick one, any kind of mascara that you please, and everybody knows how to apply mascara, right? Kind of just take it out, make sure you get the mascara even on it, and just swish up. You can curl your lashes after, but that's how you want to do it. So
So this would be the final look, and this is how something would be done in a regular makeup world, and that I hope you really like this video and that you actually try this style because it's poppin'. I'd suggest you do the style. It's just making me really crumble up, you know, man. But this concludes my video. Thank you for watching, and if comment down below and thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be here next week with a new dope video. Bye. At this point, the process got a little bit harder just due to the fact that I had to take off it all and wipe my face down. Took about maybe 5 rags just to get it all done. Thanks for watching.